Okay, students, to answer that question, first you only have 5 options you can choose from. The reason is the 5-digit number has to be more than 30,000. You cannot choose one or two to be here, right? So you're only left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. So in the first place, you can place any one of the 5. But once you have done that, any number, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7, you are now left with 6 more. Because now you can choose 1 and 2 also, because it doesn't really matter what comes here. So you are left with 6, followed by, once you have taken 2 from the 7, you will have 5, followed by 4, followed by 3. So the total number of permutation more than 30,000 from the first 7 digit is 1,800. Now, alternative method. Now, listen very carefully. This is supposed to be very easy. Just think. The option that you have for a digit here, you can pick 1 from 5. When I say 5, it is from 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You have 5. From 5, you need to pick 1 only to place it here. Done, settle. The other 4, you can just randomly, from the remaining 6, you can pick any 4. It works. Take your calculator, press. Is 5p1 times 6p4 is also equivalent to 1,800. Now it should be the same. Which method you'll be using in the exam? Both you can use. Whichever method you feel more comfortable, you feel you can understand better, you can visualize better, please use that method. Now, another question. Look at that. Same 7 digits. From the 7 digits, you need to choose or form or generate a 5-digit numbers, but the number must be an odd number. So how many permutations are there? Now, you know, odd number means it can only end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, right? So now the last place is going to be the crucial one, because here you can only pick from 1, 3, 5, and 7. So out of 4, you pick 1 and place it there. The others doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You can now pick any numbers from the 6. Pick 4, put it there, you will get the answer. Now you see this method is much more straightforward, but you cannot afford to make mistake, but you need to visualize a lot. Now the last one, you can see, I'm going to give you an extra for this one. I'm not going to give you the answer, but I want you to figure out yourself. I'll give the answer in the next class anyway. From those 7 digits, if you were to pick a 5-digit number, but to put a 0 there, not enough space. How many permutation you have if the number has to be an even number, but at the same time, it also must be less than 50,000. Remember, it's a 5-digit number, must be an even number. At the same time, it also has to be less than 50,000. Okay, you try this one.